What's the meaning of bombed? Bombed. Bombed.
Bombed. Bombed. The term bombed can have various meanings depending on the context. In a military context, it means that an area or target was attacked by bombs or explosives. In a social context, it can mean that a person failed spectacularly, for example in a stand-up comedy performance or a speech. In a recreational context, it can mean that a person consumed too much alcohol or drugs and got extremely intoxicated. Regardless of its context, the result of being bombed is generally negative. It often involves destruction, failure, embarrassment, or physical harm to oneself or others. Furthermore, the consequences of being bombed can be long-lasting and may have a significant impact on one's reputation, career, relationships, or personal well-being.